Hello everyone, I am François-Xavier Rago, Principal at Heidrick & Struggles and member of the Global Financial Services Practice. Today we are delighted to be joined by Marc Raisière, the CEO of Belfius, one of the largest and most trusted banks in Belgium. Marc made an earlier career in insurance. After having worked at Fortis AG and AXA, he led Belfius Insurance. Since 2014, Marc has been the CEO of Belfius Bank, which achieved a record profit of 935 million euro last year. So Marc, welcome. Let's start with a bit of history. Belfius was created in 2012 out of Dexia, with a significant legacy from the financial crisis. 10 years later, you publish impressive metrics. So, could you tell us more about the key success factors?
During the two first years, we start to try to recover a certain level of stability, financially stability. Starting in 2014, we decided to create a new vision. We were dreaming, which kind of bank do we want to build? And it's a dream, what we have accomplished. We wanted to have a bank which was very present in all the pillars of the Belgian economy, from the retail until the public sector. We put the customer in the center of what we do, what we did. Our vision present in all the pillars of the Belgian economy with a strong focus on the customer satisfaction. And to achieve that, we must, again, manage our employees to give them, again, confidence in themselves, confidence in their capacity to innovate, confidence in the management. I took certainly 2 years to have some credibility.
So, how do you make sure you and your teams are meaningful and inspiring in every decision you take?
You know, it's a very difficult exercise. I cannot say that we are perfect in the way that we are managing our purpose, but everyone, certainly on the management level of the N-1, and I think the 10,000 employees of Belfius have this purpose in their mind. And it's a spirit, it's a culture. And when we have to decide to give some mortgage to some company, we'll see what kind of company is that. Is it relevant to give some mortgage? When we decide to launch a very authentic trading platform, Rebel, we launch Rebel. It's a pure trading platform for our customer, but it's Rebel with a cause. And so within our platform, we express our opinion regarding the share, for example, that our client want to buy. When we have decided to be more present in what we call the bank for investor, to guide our customer in their investment, we launched the funds of the future, because we think that we have to align our customer with the future trends, which will create value for the society, but also for our customers. So everything what we have done for 2020 is based or has been impacted by meaningful, inspiring for the Belgian society together. Yeah.
ESG has become central to any business strategy. How is this changing the role of a financial services CEO?
You know, when we decided in 2020 to launch our purpose, we talked just about that. ESG was totally embedded. You cannot be meaningful and inspiring for the Belgian society without having three things. First, conviction regarding the climate, environment, but also the impact on the social impact of the decision that we will take. And the most vulnerable population has to be taken into account by financial institution. And the governance, the way that we are managing our company, the way that we are asking to our customer to have a perfect governance.
You said earlier admitting mistakes.
Yeah.
It's not a common behavior in the financial industry. So how did you implement this corporate cultural behavior at Belfius?
By beginning by myself.
Mhm.
So, and you are right, and the bank sector has still some huge issue to recognize some mistakes. We have to be very humble in what we do. And it's very powerful, I think, when a CEO recognizes to have made a mistake. Obviously, in my function, in my business, I have to avoid to make big mistake regarding risk management, regarding financial investment. But to avoid that, I think that we have at Belfius a very balanced board of director and a very balanced management board with very strong people. But in my behavior, when I push too much in some direction, and if I fail, I have to recognize it. And when you admit that you made a mistake, you see that, yeah, everyone there to enterprise something.
So how do you think you manage to find the good balance between, on the one hand, being innovative, daring, making mistakes sometimes, learning from mistakes, and on the other side, having the right controls, discipline, accuracy to meet technical requirements and to meet regulators' requirements?
The strategy of Belfius is based on two pillars. First, risk management and finance. Our capacity to deliver results has been defined our risk management, because when you are profitable, you can also reinvest. You can also reinforce your buffer, financial buffer. Well, but within the two pillars, we have a lot of freedom. And within this freedom, we have to deliver our promise, our purpose. The way that we are going to embark our employees is the culture, and our culture is based to express their capacity to our customer, to our employee, to innovate, etc., etc. It's what I call the culture of Belfius. If we look to our new brand positioning, love. We took 12 months to decide that our brand positioning would be love. The first reaction of my colleague was, but no, we are a bank. We cannot express our love to our customer, to the society. And the answer was, why? Why can you dare to express what you want to achieve? And it's all about innovation. We wanted to express the strong commitment that we wanted to take to the society, to our customer. And we haven't found a stronger word than love. And now all Belgians know that we want to reach the love of our customer, but also the love of our employee, the love of the society. And yeah, it's innovation. It's a way to dare something which I think doesn't exist in our business.
So Marc, in your view, what makes the difference between a good leader and a great leader?
I can say to you, a great leader is someone who has a vision, who can embark or his employee, who can give confidence to his employee. It's obvious. I think that a leader is someone who has to convince his partner, his employee, that they can achieve great things that they don't think that they can achieve. After 10 years, I cannot lie to my employees, to my colleagues. They know that what I want is the best for them, the best for the company, the best for our customer. And it creates a great culture based on value. We have 4 values: fairness, authenticity, customer entrepreneurship. a great leader will try every day to respect that. And a great leader will challenge all his employees, all his colleagues to respect the value. I have so many times seen a lot of companies with value, but company had value, but this value was not so respected. When you say every day of every week, as I say, it's all about people. It's all about innovation. It's all about talent. Okay, you have to recognize that your colleagues have a lot of talent. And so, there is no difference between a great leader and a guy who is able to express with his team a vision, to embark all the employees in this vision, but also to create an atmosphere, a culture where everyone is convinced that he can or she can achieve great goal. My biggest learning is when you trust people, when you put the customer in the center, but most important, when you trust your colleagues in a very sound financial situation, environment, they can deliver amazing thing.
Marc, thank you very much for being with
My
us
pleasure.
today. It was very inspiring.
My pleasure.